Alright, we're looking at a restoration, decorative concrete job. We had some hairline cracks. The customer wanted them to disappear, so this is the first stage for doing that. We crack chased them with a diamond crack chaser, so the crack is completely cut out, and then we did a feather, like not a V shape, but like a U shape, digging out for the patch to go in the crack and over the crack. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 cracks on the sidewalk, and this is just cosmetics. They did not heave or separate, so it's, I'd rather patch the crack than have all those saw cuts, and sometimes you have a crack and a saw cut. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here. One didn't really need much. You could micro see it over here, but we chased it anyways. And these we dug out a little bigger because it's a patio. And same situation. They are crack chased all the way down and feathered out so we can get a good patch in there. And then we're gonna repaint the joints and all that good stuff. We did use Large Marge, the awesome pressure washer. We got all the sealer off. We're starting over. We had a sealer buildup through the years. I don't know, maybe 13 years of sealing this thing. So first time stripping it. We got a 3/4 inch hose line leading to Large Marge. This is the bad boy, girl, whatever. It's 4,400 psi. That 4.2 gallons a minute is why you need the larger hose. And we have a 13 horse motor on this puppy, so it really did the job. We got a 0 tip edge. What that is it just shoots out a stream and it goes in a circle, and that really took it out really good. All right, just giving you guys an update on some restoration. Thanks for watching. Sue's mixing the special mix right now that's going in the cracks. It's a special one of our secret recipes, but we got color in it, the same color that's on the patio, and of course we got a bonding agent in there, and solid bonding agent. There's no water in there, so this is super duper mix. All right, thanks again.